Lutombi also announced the construction of a new gravel road from Onalulago in the Oshikoto region to Epembe in the Ohangwena region. The 42-kilometer road will be constructed at a cost of $53.6 million. The road will be built through labor-based methods with Indigenous Construction Company as the main contractor, along with 6 smaller construction companies that will carry out the work. Lutombi thanked the government for continuous financial support.
I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our government and Road Fund Administration for continuous availing funds to develop and expand Namibia's national road network so that as a country we create a sustainable road sector which is ahead of national and regional socio-economic needs in pursuit of our Vision 2030.
The construction of both roads is expected to create 410 job opportunities